In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in FreshBooks. Let's walk through the process together, from sign in to preparing your invoice to send, keeping everything clear and organized so you can repeat it with confidence. First, open your browser and head to freshbooks.com, then sign in to your account. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click on Invoices. This is your hub for everything billing related. On the Invoices page, click New Invoice to start a fresh one. FreshBooks will open a clean invoice template where you can add your client and the details of what you're billing for. If this invoice is for a new customer, click Create a Client. A panel will appear asking for basic contact details. Enter the client's first name and last name, add the company name if they have one. This helps the invoice look professional and makes it easier to search later. Enter the client's email address carefully, since this is where the invoice will be delivered. You can also enter a phone number, which is helpful for follow-ups or clarifications. When you've filled in those fields, click Create Client to save it and attach the new client to this invoice. Now it's time to add what you're charging for. Click Add a Line to insert your first invoice item. In the description field, type a clear explanation of the service or product, such as website design consultation or monthly bookkeeping. Keeping descriptions specific makes it easier for your client to understand the charge. Next, enter the rate. This can be an hourly rate, a per unit cost, or whatever pricing applies to this line. Then enter the quantity, hours worked, number of units or sessions, so FreshBooks can calculate the line total automatically. If you need more items, simply repeat the add a line step and fill out description, rate, and quantity for each one. As you go, FreshBooks will keep a running total at the bottom. When your line items are complete, scroll up to the top of the invoice. Here, click Send To. This is where you confirm who will receive the invoice. You should see the client contact you just created. Make sure the correct email address is selected so the invoice reaches the right inbox. That's it. You've signed in, created a client, added your billable items, and set the recipient using Send To. Follow these steps each time you need to create an invoice, and you'll keep your billing accurate, clear, and consistent.